The top 5 best tabletop fire pits reviews that bring the heat. There is nothing quite like the simple pleasure of gathering around a fire to enjoy good company, food, and conversation in the light of the flames. That being said, the labor that goes into building a fire is not as fun. A tabletop fire pit is the perfect balance of warmth and real flame sans cleanup, and with the added bonus of portability. To find the best tabletop fire pit for your home, watch on. Number 1. Best overall. Colsen Tabletop Outdoor Fire Pit. If you're looking for a tabletop fire bowl that is not only functional but also very stylish, then we recommend the Colsen Tabletop Outdoor Fire Pit, featuring a minimalist design. This fire bowl is fueled by odor-free, ash-less rubbing alcohol. Thanks to its portable design, it can be easily transferred from one place to another, along with helping you stay warm. This fireplace also brightens up any room or setting where it's placed. Extremely easy to use and maintain. You can easily light and extinguish this fire pit's fire. Plus, it's easy to clean. Depending on your climate and the outdoor temperature, the flame lasts for nearly 40 to 50 minutes. Thanks to its versatile design, this tabletop fireplace can be used both indoors and outdoors, making it our best overall choice. What we like: enhances the ambience of its surroundings, easy to use and maintain, features a portable design. What we don't like: smaller than other options. Number 2. Best build. Roundfire Concrete Tabletop Fire Pit. The Roundfire Concrete Tabletop Fire Pit is another great choice when it comes to functional fire bowls that don't compromise performance. Made from solid stainless steel, this fire pit features a graphite-colored concrete design that looks amazing both indoors and outdoors. Plus, it comes with a marble effect base that is designed to dissipate heat from the firestone. This fire pit can be lit by different types of alcohol fuels and has a burn time of more than an hour. Truly one of its kind. This fire pit is very easy to light and extinguish, and the flame is odorless and mess-free. Thanks to its durable build, this tabletop fire pit is bound to last for years. What we like: feature a high-quality build, excellent burn time, easy to use. What we don't like: not many color options are available. Number 3. Best design. Terra Flame Tabletop Fire Bowl. Featuring an eye-catching geometric design, the Terra Flame Tabletop Fire Bowl is an excellent addition to any indoor or outdoor space. With a compact size that can easily fit on any tabletop, this tabletop fire pit has been designed specifically for clean burning and smoke-free flames. Plus, while burning, it creates red, campfire-like crackling sounds. Made from hand-cast sustainable concrete, this fire bowl is very durable and sturdy, and is sure to add a stylish vibe to its surroundings. Since this unit is food safe, you can use it to warm marshmallows to prepare delicious s'mores. Lastly, it comes at a reasonable price. What we like: features an attractive design, food is safe and easy to use, smoke-free and clean burning. What we don't like: compact in size. Number 4. Safest choice. Brian and Dan Tabletop Fireplace. The Brian and Danny Ventless Tabletop Fireplace is another great option that features an impressive design. Made from alloy steel and glass, this tabletop fire bowl features a sturdy build. The tempered glass design allows you to enjoy the fireplace's ambience created without worrying about safety precautions. Being portable and ventless, this fireplace is easy to move from one place to another. Plus, it's a breeze to use and maintain. When fully filled with fuel, this fireplace can burn for 40 to 50 minutes. Overall, this tabletop fireplace has an elegant design, comes at a great price, and is sure to add character to any room it's placed in. What we like: sturdy and durable, burns for 40 to 50 minutes, safe and easy to use. What we don't like: needs to be cleaned periodically. Number 5. Most unique. Bond Manufacturing Table Fire Bowl. Featuring a unique design, the Bond Manufacturing Table Fire Bowl will instantly elevate any space. Made from alloy steel, this fire bowl is not only durable, but also very versatile. Plus, the brushed finish of the fire bowl further adds to its durability. In addition to its great design, this unit is also very efficient at keeping its surroundings warm, providing 10,000 BTUs of heat. What's more, this fire bowl features decorative, amber-colored beads that help emit warmth for a long period of time. Extremely lightweight, this fire pit weighs only 5 pounds. Thanks to its versatility, this tabletop fire bowl can be used both indoors and outdoors. What we like: durable and versatile, keeps its surroundings warm, features a unique design. What we don't like: may accumulate black soot. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products as it will make your life much easier.